Welcome back to Tool Life. I have a last minute gift idea for you guys. This is the mini US General Toolbox, and it's at Harbor Freight. It's $17.99, and it's pretty neat. It is 11 inches long, 6 inches tall, and 6 inches wide. It holds 5 pounds per drawer. And 10 pounds total. Let's open it up. Check that out. Ball bearing drawers. Pretty cool. They have 3 different colors. Black, green, and blue. Okay, let's measure each drawer. It is 1.25 inches deep, 8 3/4 long, and 5 inches wide. And the bottom one's the same one, it's just a little deeper. It is 2 inches deep. Then you got a little compartment at the top here. Check this out, I just saw this. You get little liners for the drawers. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.